In this video, guys, I'll be telling you how to recover deleted photos and videos on your iPad or iPhone. So to do that, guys, like suppose if you have deleted some photos and videos and you want to recover them, you can open this menu option over here. Just tap on this this icon, and now you will have see the recently deleted option. Just tap on this and just tap on view album and just verify your uh, touch ID, and you will be able to see all your deleted photos and video over here. So you can see that you will be able to see the number of days before this video or photo will be deleted permanently. Like there are 8 days remaining before the video or photo delete or will be deleted, guys, permanently. So if you want to recover them, just hold the photo or video, hold it, or you can tap on select and choose the item you want to recover, and tap on three dot and tap on this recover option and tap on recover three photos, and you're done, guys. Now you will be able to see all the deleted all the deleted photos video in the gallery. This is how, guys, you can do it. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.